and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
How would you like to have access to a state-of-the-art platform that creates automated high-converting websites in just 30 seconds that you can sell for top dollar in the hottest niches? Imagine if in minutes from now you could get sophisticated yet incredibly easy AI-powered website creator, fully hosted, SEO optimized and mobile responsive, 100 plus DFY stunning templates to create high-converting websites within seconds, unlimited hosting of sites and domains at the tiniest one-time cost, complete data protection with free end-to-end SSL encryption, one-click creation and hosting of websites, increase your income in a big way by strengthening your online business portfolio, sell the most in-demand digital service to become a force to be reckoned with, unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost, and 100% uptime. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to WebCreator 2.0. And as the name itself suggests, you pay only and enjoy all the benefits of this breakthrough software forever. Say goodbye to heavy monthly fees, expensive tools and experts, exorbitant hosting costs, unhappy customers, work overload, security breaches and threats, unending wait time, debts, unnecessary hassles. WebCreator 2.0 is the ultimate AI website solution that'll help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 easy steps, you'll start saving and making huge amount of profits. Step 1. Grab WebCreator 2.0 at an unbeatable cost today and simply log in from any browser. Step 2. Fill in some quick details like business name, color scheme, and contact details. Step 3. Voila! Your website is ready to be published and sold on top platforms instantly and effortlessly. Here's what all you can use WebCreator 2.0 for. Create unlimited websites by niches using our built-in templates or from scratch in a few clicks. Set up your website in under 30 seconds. Access extremely reliable lifetime hosting at no additional cost. Choose from 100 plus DFY stunning design templates and countless themes. All websites are optimized to rank high across search engines. Pull in endless smartphone traffic with fully mobile responsive websites. Create your own domain or host on WebCreator 2.0 subdomain. Your websites are 100% protected and secure. You can add pop-ups to prompt your visitors to instant action. Measure your ROI and other visitor statistics using Google Analytics integration from within your dashboard. Embed forms, scripts, videos, and lots more without being a tech genius. 24/7 support and training included to help you ace the tool from day one. Sell these money magnets on popular platforms instantly for big commissions. And a lot more. WebCreator 2.0 is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. You want to survive in this new age digital world. You'd like to build local business or personal websites with a click of a few buttons. You'd like to set up websites in record time and begin attracting a huge amount of visitors. You don't want to ever pay a penny for hosting your websites until the end of time. You'd like to sit back and relax because your data and site is absolutely secure. You'd like to give up the stress of handling web designers or paying ineffective and complicated designing platforms. You'd like to dominate trending niches without any prior experience. You'd like to witness higher conversion rates, sales, and profits. You'd like to create your digital identity and add everlasting credibility to your brand. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry, take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred website builder for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to WebCreator 2.0.